Hello and welcome to the Sakai tutorial for creating a new site. This is a fairly simple task, but it has a few steps, so just follow along and it should be quite easy. Any Rutgers student or faculty member can create a site. All you have to do is go to your My Workspace page and go to Worksite Setup on the left-hand tab. Here you just go to the top and you press New. And now you'll be prompted with the site type. You have two options. You can either press course site or project site. The differences between these two is that course site actually corresponds with the registrar. So if you're an instructor, you want to select course site because you'll be able to enter your roster information through there. For now, we're just going to do a project site. If students want to collaborate with other students, they can use project sites to do this. So we're just going to go with that. Press continue. I'm going to name it test. This description will be one of the first things that people will see when they enter your site. So you want to make this as descriptive as possible. Just for this, I'm going to say it's just a test site. You can change other things like the icon URL. We usually just encourage people to move on from this step if they don't need it. Press continue. And these are all of the tools that you can add to your site. These tools will appear in the left-hand toolbar. And so I'm going to select assignments, announcements, gradebook, and resources. Each of these has a brief description of what they do underneath. Resources, you can post documents, presentations, or any other type of file. Normally these four tools are all you need, but things like forums and chat room you may need to use as well. At the bottom you can select to reuse material from other sites you own. I'm going to skip this right now and save it for another tutorial. So once you're done selecting all the tools you want, press continue. And now you have two options. You can publish the site, which will open it up automatically to all participants, or you can leave it as a draft, which means you can come back and work on it later and it won't be open to the public yet. So I'm just going to go ahead and publish it. And I don't want it set to private. I'm going to keep it as a public site. And global access allows you to select this option, which lets anybody with a valid Rutgers ID to join the site. People that join this site will be given the access role automatically, but I don't want to do this right now, so I'm just going to keep it limited to who I add manually or through the automatic roster updates. I'm going to go ahead and press continue. Right here you can just confirm your project site setup. I'm going to press create site. And it says test has been created. So it should be up here in my more sites, in my projects, there it is. And this is the new site.